how to create a template in HubSpot. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a template within HubSpot. It is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do, follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to HubSpot.com, sign in for your account, and then we are going to drop down this menu. Simply we are going to the library. It will be showing a menu. When this menu is appearing, you can see here the template. Click on it, and here we have the list of template that has been created. If you didn't create a template yet, all you have to do is to click on new template. Here you can go ahead and create from scratch from library template. I will go with the library template. Here I will set everything in myself. Here we have the template library. You can go ahead and choose any type of template. For example, this one, I am going to click on save in my collection and boom, here we go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you soon on the next one.